Hey everybody, this is the 4th time we've started this video because people keep coming onto the stand because they're so excited about Jabra, obviously. They don't see the interview, they just pop through.
We can't keep people away.
They're such big fans of you, they're like, don't worry about that.
Nobody's a big fan of me. Except for my mom.
Yeah, I've heard.
My mom's a big fan.
So, how's the show?
Good, and I'm Michael Tressler, Manager Global Technical Alliances Sales.
Something?
Global Manager Technical Alliances Sales, Jabra. I'm a guy at Jabra.
You're the person to talk to as far as video.
I'm the tallest person to talk to.
That is true.
At Jabra.
That is unchallenged.
Yeah, Tom, thanks for coming by.
Yeah.
And I think you've heard about the Evolve 3, 75 and 85.
So I have the on-ear, I have the 75, which I'm really impressed with. Apparently, Mickey's saying my 85 is in the post, so I'm looking forward to trying that out.
The difference between this and the last time we talked is you can now actually buy it.
Yeah.
So it's actually now available on the market. I've been reading the feedback through Reddit and other things, and it's all been good.
Boomless. That's the thing that's really, really cool. It's like the voice
Boomless on a microphone, but when you play the audio, you get the boom.
Is that what the spec sheet says?
Yes, spec sheet. Evolve 375 Boom Edition.
Special features boom.
Yes. Yeah, it's the Boomless.
What style do you prefer? Do you prefer the on-ear or the
I generally prefer the on-ear, but so I got both of them very early. And I took this one. Well, I work for the company. It worked and took this one on most flights and trips. And then I'm like, well, I'm a little hesitant. Let me take this one on a flight. It's probably not going to be as good.
Yeah.
Strictly for clearing the noise of the airplane, right? Everything else is, they literally are 95%, 98% the exact same device.
Yeah, it's really
just wearing style is the difference.
Yeah.
And I was amazed. I didn't do an A/B test, but I'm like, is this better on the airplane than that one?
Interesting.
So I don't know. They're both good.
Yeah.
So I don't know what my preferred style is. I think you said 75 is yours.
Yeah,
I do still travel with the 85 primarily because one of the key differences is it has a larger speaker. So that one has a little more boom, even though it's boomless. Nice.
And you got the nice fold down as well, which I love. Like I've had a Flex 65 in my bag since they got launched, being smashed around. So far, so good. So I'm hoping these have the same tank-like survival
and they
rate.
fit in so nicely into my backpack. It's not as big and tall.
Yeah, super slim case, which I really love.
Correct. The hotness coming May the 4th be with you.
Yeah.
Is the release of our PanaCast 55 video bar system, so switch to video. That will then set the stage for us to have a large room solution. So right now we have medium and small rooms, dominant, excellent products, but large room was a problem. So we're taking the PanaCast 55 VBS.
Yep.
And you can just get that and medium room solution done. And then we've added a speaker mic option. So it's a microphone and speaker, and they both work together. So the front of room audio with the center of table audio work together.
Taking some of that speakerphone cleverness you've got and kind of wrapping it into a rooms device.
It looks nothing like this, but it's the same concept,
tech,
speaker and microphone.
Yeah.
One of the differences, the speaker points down into the table.
Yeah, to give the...
So the audio goes out 360 degrees as opposed to straight up. So it's like this, but nothing like this.
And when we get to large room, multi-camera now as well.
Yeah, we partnered with Huddly. Somebody asked a good question. Why didn't we just do it ourselves? Why did we partner with Huddly? And the answer was we wanted a Huddly-like product, but it would have taken us probably 2 years to get to that point. Or we just partner with Huddly and have it today.
Yeah. And inherit the next 2 years of their innovations.
And then put our work towards other things. We would have our R&D staff now working on that when they could be working on other things. So we can accelerate what we do while picking up Huddly's industry-leading camera technology.
Nice. So large room coming May the 4th, actually.
May the 4th be with you.
That's good to know. Let's talk Express Install.
Yeah, that's the big one. So
here,
we don't have the big room here because, well, it's tough to set up all of those. Tough to demo that. But what's not tough to demo is the Express Install. So Express Install, the concept is, and I have this at home. I have one of these at home. And I get new equipment all the time. And often the deal is you have to drill into the wall.
Yeah.
Right? I need to hang this here. We have a scheduling panel. Do I want to drill into the wall and mount that? Do I want to drill in the wall? Now, imagine you're at a company with 100 conference rooms. There's a lot of time of drilling into walls, hanging things, TV mounts.
And then you need a specialist for that, and you need to check the wiring, and you need like that's
you may need to pull permits depending on union. You have to schedule time with them.
Yeah.
Well, if you're not touching the walls, you're not touching the building, you probably don't need union permits, work orders, all of that sort of thing. So the stand is freestanding, so you can see it's kind of on our table.
Yeah, so tabletop stand.
Tabletop stand. And then I'm not going to do it, but you can, once you have the TV mounted, you can raise it or lower it to the correct height.
Oh, nice.
This is attached to the same thing, so you can raise and lower the whole thing. Not for end users, but for IT to get it to the right height for the...
So who are you partnering with to stand for the...
So for the stand, it's the Salamander. Salamander is the company. Acadia table stand is the product.
Nice.
And then we also partner with LG. So we have an LG display here, so you can get a whole bundle through the channel, directly from LG or through channel partners or other bundles that you just buy all three together.
Yeah, so that's a bundle with screen. That's interesting.
With screen.
I've seen other bundles without screen. So with screen, so a genuine bundle of everything
Correct.
you need.
And I was talking to the guys at LG, and they were like, yeah, we've optimized things for you guys. So the instructions and all those things, and what they, more importantly, they've tested. Forget the optimization.
Yeah.
I made that up. I did a AI hallucination. I meant to say testing. They did the testing that all the wake up and everything works correctly. So you know when you leave the room, when you walk into the room, the display is going to work properly with the Jabra PanaCast 40 or small room video bar.
So you are like proper global trot, world tour. What's the next event for you?
The next event, what is this? This is, Comms V Next in Denver.
Nice.
Commsverse, Infocom, a few other things.
Awesome. So if
maybe I get to go to Australia again this year.
Oh, nice. APAC always appreciates Tressler
I
tour.
always appreciate APAC.
So if you're at the show, come and see Michael and team, check out the new kit, and ask him some tricky questions about large room and multi-camera. That's always good.
And May 4th. May the 4th be with you.
And I'll see you at the next event.
Yes.
Thanks
a lot, Tom.